It's a loaf of soap with cups of coffee on it.
Yeah. And we're back from camping.
We did go camping. Hello, Mother. Hello,
lived,
Father. Here we are at Camp Granada. Anyways.
Yeah, and we lost a bit of weight because she's subsistence living there. You're living out of cans, and
we did lose a bit of weight, but mine is coming right back.
You're busy doing all sorts of jobs. It's a 12-hour day. So we're back now, so we've got 4 videos to narrate, and here's the first one.
Yes, coffee soap. This is Island Escapes Jamaican Vanilla Cafe. And I got a few fragrances from them, Canadian company, that I wanted to try, and this is the first one, I do believe. So,
and I remember you making the cups for this. I don't remember the rest of it.
Yeah, the coffee cups are made out of soap dough. I had a soap dough creativity explosion for about a month. I still have about 12 little baggies with soap dough things in them to use. So we've just added the lye water solution, whizzed it up a little bit, and we're stirring. Stirringtoomuch.com again. But that's alright. And we're going to pour off our piping. It's funny when you watch these and don't remember exactly making them.
Well, you're getting a fog when you're camping and you come back and you have to learn stuff again.
Literally, yeah. We didn't see any bears. We didn't see any moose. We saw baby spruce grouse, little birdies hopping all over the campsite, and snakes, and really tame chipmunks and squirrels.
And our resident turtle that brought some other naughty turtles that kept smashing the bobbers.
Yes, they do look for your bobbers when you're fishing in the water, and they go and they bite your bobber.
So we lost a few bobbers and a few hooks and a few traces.
We even gave her a bobber. So there's probably a few of them floating around the lake.
Yep.
It was fun though, but we did have a 20-hour period of non-stop pouring rain where our camper's like 14 feet?
Yep.
So it has a bed and a bench basically. So having arthritis and fibromyalgia, when it was raining and we had to stay in the camper, I had to either keep my legs crossed, straighten them out, cross them, straighten them out, cross them. Anyway, the next day I could not move. It hurt so bad. But it's all part of the fun.
We had some solar hazes because of the fires, the smoke, it was making the sky
air quality,
really
yeah. Air quality was bad and the sun looked pink, like a grapefruit hanging in the sky because there was smoke pollution all the way from Manitoba. And, what was it, southwestern Ontario, I believe? Lots of forest fires out west right now. Hope they get control of that. I should be showing my color palette for this soap soon. Taupe is the hardest color I've ever had to make in my entire life. It's just one of those colors I don't get.
You gotta keep mixing it until you get the right shade. It's quite hard.
Yeah, but I don't even understand taupe, so it was really hard for me to make that. Is that taupe? I don't know.
I think it is.
I think I got it, but I'm just waiting for my color palette to come up so we can see. Or did I not put a color palette in this video?
I'm not sure.
That would be so dumb.
So we hope you're all keeping well. So like I say, we've got a couple of videos to do, and here comes the...
FYI, the fragrance.
Yeah.
Right? I have a really good friend named Karen who gave me a splendid tip to put clay in the fragrance oil. It'll hold its scent better in the soap. So that's why that looks like clay and fragrance oil, because it is.
Yeah. And
now a little bit of brown oxide. So, you know, the main part of the soap is obviously going to be the color of coffee. That makes sense, right? Can't do anything without coffee, can you?
No, and that's why it looks like chocolate again.
It does look like chocolate, but it also looks like, you know, some kind of Jamaican vanilla cafe.
So what is this soap called again?
It's called But First, Coffee.
Oh.
I've heard that saying before. How original.
I probably smelt this soap, but I can't remember.
It smells great. That tip to put the clay in the fragrance oil, I like that one. It's It's holding its scent very well. It's not going to be ready though, this soap, until... This is part of the fall collection, yeah. I won't be dropping any new soaps until then, and I haven't decided on a date yet.
So we're all wondering how everybody's doing. Are they keeping busy? Are the restrictions making your life easier? And if you're actually venturing out and making some soap yourself, we'll be interested to hear about that.
Yes.
We, as you say, we don't do tutorials, but we try and give tips.
No, you know why I can't do tutorials? Because when you do something for so long, you kind of forget the facts, and you just do it in like...
A winged fashion.
No, it's like driving. Like
Robotic.
if you... Yeah, you like get from point A to B without remembering how you got there.
Yeah.
That's how I am with soap now.
Yeah.
It's like automated.
Yeah. Ooh, looks like a tiramisu.
Does it? It
Yeah.
looks delicious.
Yum, 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 yum. Nice colours as well.
I can't believe I forgot to put the color palette on, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Tap, tap, tap. Here comes
Here
the
we go.
piping.
Piping.
I believe... I could be wrong. No, I'm right. For the piping, I used white mica, shimmery mica, with TD, instead of just TD. Because I wanted it to be, like, really shimmery. I don't know if you can see that.
Try to turn it out so having an extra bit of shimmer in it.
Yes, shimmery white mica. And I think you can sort of see the difference, eh? Maybe not, but I wanted to try it.
That's a nice texture of it all.
Yep.
Makes me want to just put your hands in it.
So we had a bit of a scare when we were camping, because when I check the weather, I always look at the radar map. I don't go by what it says, because they're never right. And I saw the most horrendous storm coming right for us. Remember that?
Yeah.
And I was like, we have 3 options. Die in the camper, die in the truck, or drive home. But the storm was also heading for home. So I was freaking right out. We've seen like water devils on this lake that we go to, and it just has its own crazy weather.
Yeah, it was like watching Space Invasion. Dun, 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 dun,
But,
dun, dun,
you know...
the storm come over. But I said, well, look.
Just by
Take our
chance.
chances in the camper, right?
Yeah. We didn't have time to get home.
Because it's
Just...
a Faraday cage, apparently.
Yeah, it is an aluminum camper, so you're safe from lightning in it. But I was concerned about the wind. It did hit our city really bad, but it kind of dissolved when it got over us, thank God. And then it hit our hometown, and it was pretty bad. They had like nickel-sized hail and
trees coming down.
Trees coming. I had a tree down in my backyard when I got home, right on my dog's grave, which made me really mad. So I tried to pull the tree to the side, but I grabbed a branch which snapped off, and I landed on my arse.
Yeah.
But there's my little coffee cups and beans made out of soap dough.
Aren't they great people? They are so good.
They're cute. I mean, they could be nicer, but they're kind of hard to make.
Yeah,
Well, they're not really hard to make. They're just, you know, little things with swollen hands is, you know, they could be better, but whatever. Look at me getting piping all over myself. At least I made 10 of them. Like, usually I do 9 and I forget I need 10. I don't know why.
Yeah, no, they're excellent. Like what they are, little coffee cups.
Little cups of black coffee.
So anyway, we survived the camping trip. We lost a lot of big fish and caught a couple, but it's very slow sometimes.
We don't keep them anyways. We throw them back. We don't throw them back.
Catch
We
and
put them
release, yeah.
back. Yeah, we catch and release.
Got smashed by a few monster pike and stuff, but yeah, we're going back in September, which is a bit cooler, so there won't be any turtles, there won't be any mosquitoes.
No, I actually only got bit by 2 bugs. And Gary, you got about 1,000, but that always happens to him. I don't know why.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as last year though, but or the year before rather.
Yeah, we
that
couldn't
was
go
really bad.
last year. It was the year before. What are these barn flies? I never heard of them till 2 years ago.
Yeah,
They chew your ankles to death.
yeah.
They take chunks out of you. Oh my god.
You just spilled a coffee.
I just missed my mouth with my coffee. What is wrong with me? I'm soaking wet now.
You'll be alright, it'll dry off.
Anyway, I just added a little bit of spilled coffee to the coffee cups in the video at the same time.
Hey, timing. Synchronicity, eh?
Oh my
there you go, look at that,
god.
looks exceptional, doesn't it?
Did I get it on the floor? A little bit.
No,
Yeah, I did.
A little bit.
Oh my god. Anyway. You'd probably get a real kick out of watching us narrate because I'm so stupid, but anywho.
Ooh,
Here comes the cut.
Hey,
Oh,
look at that.
I love a good
That's a really
drop
nice
swirl.
pattern in there.
It's a good drop swirl.
It's looking like it's very uniform as well in a way. All slightly the same but slightly different, right?
All slightly, totally different. Every bar of soap is different. That looks like it has a weird face in it. Anyway, this is, but first coffee. You'll see it probably in October on the website. Smells delicious.
Well, grab yourself a bar or two. Treat yourself.
A bar or two. Actually, a bar lasts you a long time. Forgot to turn my phone off. More spam mail. Air Canada flight offers. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed, you like listening to us babble and make soap, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Like this video and leave us a comment. We love your comments.
And onwards we go to the next one.
Onwards to the next
See you later, people.
video narration. The video's not even over yet. Oh, rubber ducky. Bye.